Let us do some more problems in differentiation. Differentiate sin x with respect to cos x. See, you have to differentiate the function sin x with respect to another function cos x. Both are in same variable x. So let us take u is equal to sin x and v is equal to cos x. Now what we have to find? We have to find du by dv. d by with respect to cos x, that is with respect to v, we have to find the derivative of sin x. Now du by dv is equal to, see, u in terms of x and v in terms of x. So we can write it as du by dx divided by dv by dx. Now first find du by dx. Du by dx means it is cos x. So cos x divided by dv by dx means it is minus sin x. So answer is equal to minus cot x. So in order to do this type of question, you have to take the first function as u and the second function as v. That is with respect to which function, that is v. Then we need to find derivative of u with respect to v. That is du by dv. Now both u and v are in the variable x. So that is equal to du by dx by dv by dx. Let us do some more problems. Differentiate sin square x with respect to e raised to cos x. So let us take u is equal to sin square x, v is equal to e raised to cos x. Now find du by dx. Du by dx means it is, see, sin square x, it is of the form x raised to n, that form. So that is equal to 2 into sin x. Now derivative of sin x means cos x. So 2 sin x cos x. That is simplified as sin 2x. Now we have to find the derivative dv by dx. That is equal to, see, e raised to cos x. So first function e raised to cos x, its derivative e raised to cos x. Now derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So answer minus e raised to cos x sin x. Okay. Now what is du by dv? See here, sin x is coming, and if you are using this formula, you can simplify easily. So you have to substitute this answer. So 2 sin x cos x divided by e raised to cos x into minus sin x. Now we can cancel sin x. Then what is remaining? 2 cos x. The negative is there. So negative 2 cos x divided by e raised to cos x.